Today, we're drawing one of the most feared and legendary characters from Jujutsu Kaisen, Toji Fushiguro. Toji is known for his overwhelming physical strength, calm confidence, and intimidating presence. His design is perfect for dramatic anime artwork because every detail, from the muscles to the sword pose, creates intensity. I'm starting with the basic face structure using light pencil strokes. Toji has a sharp jawline and relaxed but dangerous expression, so getting the proportions right is very important. I keep the lines soft at first so I can make adjustments before moving into darker outlines. Now I'm sketching the eyes and hairstyle. The slightly messy hair adds personality and gives the character a wild energy. I use directional strokes to create texture and movement, while the eyes are shaded carefully to create that cold, confident look. Next comes the upper body anatomy, which is one of the most important parts of this drawing. Toji's muscular design is exaggerated in anime style, so I focus heavily on shadows and muscle separation. The shoulders, chest, and arms all need strong contrast to look powerful and dynamic. As I continue, I begin detailing the veins and skin texture. These small lines add realism and make the artwork feel more intense. Anime anatomy becomes much more impressive when subtle details are added carefully instead of overdoing them. Now I move to the sword. Weapons in anime art are often major focal points, so I spend extra time refining the handle, blade reflections, and perspective. The sword helps balance the composition and gives the artwork a cinematic action scene feeling. The lighting in this artwork is extremely important. I add deep shadows around the torso and arms, while keeping bright highlights on the edges. This creates strong contrast and makes the character stand out from the dark background. Next, I refine the clothing folds and add darker tones to the shirt. Tight fabric wrapped around muscular anatomy creates natural tension lines, and those details help sell the realism of the pose. One of my favorite parts is adding the glowing eye effect and final highlights. Tiny white highlights on the skin, blade, and hair instantly make the drawing feel polished and alive. These final touches often make the biggest visual difference. And finally, the artwork is complete. Toji Fushiguro's design combines power, simplicity, and intensity, making him one of the coolest characters to draw from Jujutsu Kaisen. If you enjoyed this anime drawing video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which anime character you want to see next on Hobbyist Artist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next artwork.